Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup Maggi easy method. Start by prepping tomatoes, onions, garlic, and stock so everything is within reach. Warm your pot, sauté aromatics until fragrant, then add chopped tomatoes and simmer to soften. Blend to a smooth texture or leave slightly chunky for bite. Return to heat, adjust salt and pepper, then stir in Maggi to finish with a comforting, quick meal. Begin by heating oil in a medium pot and gently sautéing onions and garlic until soft and fragrant. Add your chopped tomatoes and enough stock to cover, then simmer until the tomatoes reduce and concentrate in flavor. Carefully blend the mixture until smooth or leave a bit rustic if you prefer texture. Return the soup to the pot, taste and adjust seasoning, then stir in Maggi and cook briefly until combined and hot. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles crumbs and dropped noodles so you spend less time cleaning and more time cooking. It even listens to voice control, which feels oddly magical when juggling pots. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Taste the soup as it cooks and balance acidity with a small amount of sugar if needed. It really helps. For a creamier finish, stir in a splash of cream or milk just before serving, which makes the soup silky. Brighten the bowl with fresh herbs, a drizzle of olive oil, or a squeeze of lemon, and remember simple adjustments can transform this quick Maggi tomato soup into something special and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.